Welcome to the tutorial on how to create an invoice for the BRICK using EDI Gateway's Web EDI portal, Webgate Plus. First, you'll need to log in to Webgate Plus. Before you can make an invoice, please make sure that your ASN has been sent. First, go to Document and in your Sent box, Documents. Now that you have created and sent your advance ship notice, you will need to send invoices. If you had created one ASN for multiple purchase orders, the system will automatically create one invoice for each purchase order. But don't worry, we'll show you how right after we have created this invoice. First thing you do is select your ASN. Right-click on your ASN and select Create Invoice. You will now be completing the header section. The date will default to today's date, but you can change it. Enter your invoice number. Click on Calculate, as this will calculate all the terms. If, for example, your terms of payment are 2% minus 10 days, the system will automatically fill in all the fields. Either click on Next or on Detail. Now it's time to fill in the detail section. Once in the detail section of the invoice, verify that all the quantities and unit prices are accurate. These are the only two editable fields in the detail section. To apply taxes on the items, click on GST. To apply taxes on all the items, click on GST All. The system knows that only the GST is applicable in this particular order. If you need to add an allowance, allowances are accepted at the summary level exclusively. Click on Summary and then click on Add. You can only apply an allowance. The BRICK does not accept charges on their invoices. Pick the appropriate code and enter the amount. Click OK. If you need to return to your invoice at a later time, you can save it as a draft. Or, if you are satisfied with your invoice, you can save it. To save your invoice, click on Save. Your invoice is valid. In order for you to send your invoice, you will need to go to your outbox. If you click on Send Valid and multiple documents are in your outbox, the system will send all the valid documents. If you wish to send only this document, you click on it, right-click, and click on Send. Then you click on OK. Always ensure that you have received an acknowledgement for your transactions by monitoring the status 24 hours after sending your documents. The possible statuses are in queue. This means that we have your invoice, we just haven't sent it yet. The cycle is every 4 minutes. The second status will be sent. This means that we have sent your invoice, but the BRICK has not received it yet. And you will see a status acknowledged when the transaction is acknowledged, along with the date in the acknowledgement date here. Congratulations! You have completed your invoice for the BRICK. This is the final transaction of the EDI transactional workflow for your purchase order. If you haven't received your acknowledgement or need to contact us, here is how to reach us. And from all of us at EDI Gateway, thank you for watching.